Hello, everyone. I took a short little break for my birthday and then celebrated with family over the Easter weekend. I am making a bedspread for the Barbie bed. I found this really beautiful velvet that looks like poppies and it has a black background, which I thought was really pretty. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and start and make you guys a bedspread today. So you want to measure at least all the way to the headboard, add 2.5 inches on either side so that way it'll drape over the mattress. Just to give you a little hint, that's what I did. And I also curve the bottom edge to give it more of a nice flow around the corners. I go straight to the sewing machine and start sewing. Trim around the edges, thin out the batting a little bit because I don't want it to be too bulky on the seams, and then turn it inside outwards. So while I'm turning it inside outwards, I will let you guys see, but right now I'm going to trim and thin out the area a little bit around that batting. As you may see, it's not real thick, but it needs to be trimmed out just a little bit so that way it doesn't cause issues when you turn it inside outwards. Okay, I'll be back. So I am going to turn it inside out. Isn't that beautiful? Let me do that, and then you guys can see what I'm going to do next, okay? It's turning inside outwards. It's a little hard to do when you're on. I don't have my setup to video that way. I've been working on a lot of things, so I went and got a little mini saw so I can do some floors. I also got a few patterns drafted for dresses. That will be interesting. I'm trying to get those cut out now and videotape at the same time. So just want to let you guys know what's going on. So I got it turned down. I got it turned inside outwards. The smooth goes this way. It is like a velvet with a really beautiful poppy. And on the back side, I did this satin, crinkled satin, which I thought would be really cute for a bedspread. And then that way when it's turned over, it'll look really pretty. So, here's a little trick that I am doing. In the bobbin, I have red. In the top, I have black. The reason for this is I'm going to put little like darts or stoppers in here so that way the batting will not separate from the top and it'll keep it from, you know, opening up, and it'll lay flat. And I'm also going to steam it with my steamer just to make sure my edges are perfect before I do any kind of laying it on the new bed, which you guys haven't seen yet. It is starting to look really good. I can't wait to show you guys. But this is the bedspread. I'm going to make also a few throw pillows. Some out of green, some out of black, some out of red. Just to throw on the bed because I think that would be beautiful. So let me go and sew these darts in. I think I'm probably going to do 3 in the center like that because this bed does hang over the mattress and it will hang over the bed. Okay, so let me dart it, sew up the top, and we'll put it over the mattress and you can see what it looks like. So I finished the bedspread. It's looking really pretty. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it at the end of the video. So I decided to get out the mini saw, and we had popsicle sticks here in our house. Me and my daughter does a lot of crafts and stuff, so we decided that since she's not using them, I can go ahead and use them for flooring in the dollhouse. So the bedroom floor is what I'm going to be working on today. and I am just laying them out as normal wood flooring that you would have a big giant strips going across. And I start with, I don't know, I think it's like 4 or 5 inches, and I cut those in half to make the short runs. So I started off with the short run and used wood glue and glued them down to the base. Boy, do I wish I had my tripod camera light set up. I moved it to the side and had it put away, and I should have dug it out and did this. But I am showing you as progress. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, I never thought popsicle sticks came in so many different varieties of wood colors. I just think it's beautiful. I have never seen popsicle sticks look so different once you start laying them down as a flooring texture. Um, in a couple of spots while I was putting the glue, I didn't put enough glue. So then I would run my fingers across it and it would squeak like a floor, which is super silly to sit there and think about that my Barbie dollhouse has a squeaky floor. I'm like, geez. So it took me in the process probably a day to do all the floor because I had to cut out with the little mini saw, and you can only cut 8 popsicle sticks at a time. So once you cut off one end, you have to flip it around and do it again. And with safety, I definitely literally, did not rush it or, make it unsafe. I did wear glasses when I was working with it, and I did keep my hands together so that way I knew I was not going to cut myself. Because I've been on blood thinners since March of last year, and I definitely don't need to have any issues be from that. So I was being very safe, and I did do very well. I did have a little puppy that decided to get down into the kitchen area of the actual dollhouse. She would sit down in the bottom of it, and while I was working on it, and she wouldn't leave, but she would just sit there. She was, my supervisor, as you say. She was supervising the project to make sure it was done properly. And I'm very thankful that she was there for me, and she is my little helper, my the person I have to hold all the time. But I love her. She's 11 years old. She's about ready to turn 12, and I count all the blessings of having her around. But this dollhouse and her helping me is magical. I have so many great ideas and so many people that are supporting me and helping me. I found a few things on Jackie's Instagram that I asked her if she could get for me because one of our Dollar Trees here in Columbus, they didn't have it. My next technique in the bedroom will be doing the walls. And I am so thankful that Jackie actually sent me the project that I'm going to be doing next. So I'm super excited once that we have the floor done. I'm going to work on the actual walls and then windows for this level. I know that people say red is just too dynamic or too bright for a bedroom, but I am going to use an accent of red somewhere in this bedroom just because we have red in the bedspread, and I really think that would be a thing to do. So, that is my goal, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you very much for being part of my YouTube family. And please like and subscribe. Every like, comment, share helps me with my channel. And I'm very thankful for every single one of you. Thank you, and you have a great and blessed week.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,